let's unbox my wigs all the way from Nigeria.
Thank God you are finally able to unbox them, my love.
Okay. Honestly, I can't even remember how many wigs, but you guys, I spent a whole lot. I spent millions on this wig. So
how many are you going to try on, baby?
I just try one at a time. 3, 4. Jesus Christ. Hold on, I don't know. 5, so I got 5 here. And I'm guessing this one is also 5 or 4. I don't know. I bought all these wigs. 1, 5, okay, 6, 7. Oh, 8. Okay, yeah, 8. So I bought this wig so that I can just like be wearing them and not think of how I'm going to make my hair because I'm pregnant and all that. So you guys, I'll be like, it looks like I'm opening a witch shop. It looks like that. So you know what? I'm gonna start with it's falling on the floor. So this one. Can you see me in this wig? Like, imagine what I'm gonna look like in this wig. So this is one. Okay, there's the second one. Ooh, ooh.
I know you look great.
I love 2. And the third one. Can't believe I'm finally doing this today. What's this one called? Is it pixie coil or something? I don't know. Oh, this is another one. What's this one? Bone straight. I have bone straight. I don't know why I bought another one. So I have it like 2 now. Same thing.
What do you want me to do for you?
Just hold.
I should hold it.
Hold.
Can you imagine?
Don't spoil them for me. I have not even tried them on. Okay, so guys, so that I will be able to show the wigs.
I'll sit down here.
I'm gonna try them on later.